Hello, kindergartners. It's Miss Lessard. It's time for some math. Okay, so yesterday you guys measured using a string, yarn, or ribbon, and I saw the most amazing things. I saw people measuring everything from one kid even measured his sister. He took a big long string and laid her down on the floor. I was like, wow, that's so cool. Today we are going to measure using pennies. So ask mom and dad, you're going to need probably 6 or 8 pennies. And if mom and dad said, oh, I don't have 6 or 8 pennies, you need 6 or 8 of something of the same size. So it can be any coin, long as they're the same. Or if you don't have that, maybe even something like Legos. Long as they're small units and there's like 6 or 8 of the same. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take pen and paper and we're going to draw a robot. You're going to be like, I don't know how to draw a robot. It's just a square and a circle. So you're going to draw your square. Square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. You already know that. And then the head is going to be a circle. And that's it. Okay? You can't give them any legs because we need this straight line because that's where we're going to align the pennies from. Remember we talked about aligning, starting at the same spot. If you want to give them a face, you can. Oh, I gave him a little face. And you probably can give him arms, even though we're not going to measure those. We're just going to measure from the base of his body right here all the way up to the top of his head. And we're going to do that using pennies or small pieces of Lego. I'm going to show you my pennies. And I'm going to have to tilt this down a little bit just so they don't fall off. And again, I'm going to start at the base right here. I'm putting it right at the base. Okay, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So my robot, if you look, is 4 pennies high. It's close. It might be a little over, a little under, just whatever the closest amount is. Okay, then once you find that amount, so now I know that mine is 4. That's my magical number. You're going to go around your house and find something that's the same size as whatever your number is. Okay, so if you choose a big robot, you're going to need a lot of pennies. If you choose a tiny one like I did, you're going to need 4. So I went around my house and I found my candle. And I said, ooh, this looks about the same size as my robot. And I laid them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's not even. It's not flat. So, but I have to align it up at the bottom. And my candle is pretty close to 4 pennies high. Pretty close. Okay, and then I also had my eraser. This is my eraser I use when I dry my whiteboard. And let's see, I'm going to line it up at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty close. It's a little bit under, but really, really close. So here's what your job is. Draw your robot. Measure how many pennies high your robot is. Remember, your robot's going to be a square or a circle. You can make a tiny one like me. You can make one a little bit bigger if you want one a little bit bigger. But remember this bottom base, that's why you can't give them legs. Your bottom base is where you're going to start your measuring. Okay? And then go around your house and try to find 2 things the same size, the same amount of pennies or Legos or whatever you decide to use. Happy measuring. I can't wait to see what you measure. Bye, guys.